your friends only witnesses, trying to figure out what this is. Paranoid and thin, I send myself in with my hands up high. When we're together, all I can hear, all the silence in my rearview mirror. Guilty as a man can be. I stole your heart last night, and now they're after me. Hang it out all afternoon. I left my fingerprints all over your room. I heard the handcuffs click in my mind when you put your 5 fingertips to mine. Tell me, baby, what are we gonna do? The love police are after me and you. I can hear the rain comes down the door. The tear gas is rising up on the floor now. Tell me, baby, what are we gonna do? The love police are after me and you. Tell me, baby, what are we gonna do? The love police are after me and you. Baby, while I'm in jail, I'll undress you while in your mail. There's no one I can tell, sitting in my cell, how we were having love. Come over here and break me out. Kiss me through the bars and pass the keys to my mouth. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Think about the 1,000 tears you won't cry. If that last kiss was not a kiss goodbye, they can lock me away where the sun never shines, but they can't lock my baby out of my mind, yeah.
Go. Hey.